We've replaced 3 bedrooms, a bathroom and the landing upstairs, so all the windows upstairs. We replaced the main window in the lounge because before that was just a single pane of glass. You couldn't have any openings, and in the summer the room was getting quite warm, and now we've got 2 windows, which is marvellous. We can get some air in. Didn't know about Starglaze. Had another firm coming around. We didn't like the guy. He just gave the aura of "you're lucky to have me here" type thing, and it just wasn't nice. So I asked one of the neighbours and I said, you know, who do you go? "Oh, Starglaze, we go with them all the time." So hence Starglaze came. Loved him, he was great. So he gave us a quote for all the windows plus sills, and as we were agreeing that, the wife says, "Oh, by the way, I want French doors." I went, "Oh, great." So we had them put on as well. The quality of the house inside now, it's so much warmer. We think it's a lot quieter as well, because we've gone for triple glazed. When the guy from turned up, we liked him instantly. We were sold basically straight away. And then we went down to see him at the showroom in Lincoln, and he showed us in more detail about what the windows will do, how the opening functions. Well, I didn't really know much about triple glazing, but then the guy came in and he says, "Well, look, the one that we're advertising now is triple glazing." And he says, to be honest, there's not much difference between double glazing or triple glazing in price wise. And then we eventually got the quote. I shook his hand there and then. The quickness of the workers, they took the windows out record time. They were very good, they were very clean, they were sweeping up all across the place. There wasn't any, we've never had to call them back. The sales team, the people we met down at the showroom, who happened to be the same guy that came here, he was down there. It was, "Hello Alan, come on in. Would you like tea, coffee?" Showed us around all the windows, the ones that we've already gone for. He was a good salesman, you know, first class. I used to be self-employed for over 30 years, and I was going to people's homes, and you've really got to break the ice pretty damn quick. When he turned up, he was just nice. He broke the ice very, very quickly. So, no complaints.